Today's collab is with Tera from Tera's Boutique. You know how much I love my Vera Bradley for traveling. And hi Beanbeauties, Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today is another collab day. Yes, it is. Y'all know how much I love collabs. Love, love, love collabs. Today's collab is with Tera from Tera's Boutique. I'm still trying to get used to my new filming situation. I haven't had a chance to show y'all because it's evolving right now. I'm living with it, trying to figure out how I want everything to go, where it needs to be. I'm still trying to declutter some things, so it's not really quite up to par or really 100% livable. So my videos are going to be a little bit different for a little while, but you know, change is good. Change keeps us fresh. It keeps us fresh. So today the collab that we're doing is a collab for Vera Bradley. Yes, it is. You know how much I love my Vera Bradley for traveling, and Tera does too. She has a whole collection. She has a collection that she tries to add to it. If you have not gone over and watched Tera, please do so and watch her video. If you haven't subscribed to her, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to her. Where have you been? Pick up that rock over there and subscribe to her. Tell her I said hello. She's fantastic. And while you're at it, subscribe to me too. I'm trying to get to my goal. Monetization is 1,000 for YouTube. My goal is 1,010 where I will feel comfortable. So I'm almost there, but I need help. I purchased this Vera Bradley from Robin from Cloverleaf Bags. I've been doing quite a bit of unboxings from her, but I still have a lot of unboxings that I need to do for Lady Badger. So those are coming up because I'm working. Some of the things I bought from her are part of a different collection for a little bit later this summer. I have Hadrian. Y'all seen some of the things from Hadrian that I unboxed from him as well too. Purse Creator Vicky from Purse Creator. I've unboxed some things from her. Kristen D from Another Chance Resale. Those are my top 4, right? Is that 4? Kristen D, Lady Badger, Purse Creator, Robin, Hadrian. 5. Those are the top 5 that I shop on YouTube, is where I shop. And I like to watch the lives. They all do lives except for Robin. She does a video release. Kristen does a video live and video. Hadrian does lives and post his shopping blogs. Lady Badger works her tail off. She does lives, but some great lives, and every once in a while she'll post some things as well too. Purse Creator just does lives, but she does lives on Sundays, every other Sundays, and during the week she does themes and games, and so that's fun. So they all have something different and unique, and they all have a different unique community. So I highly recommend going over there. Make sure you tell them I sent them so that they know, especially since I'm not buying right now. I think the only thing I've bought lately, this stuff, all the stuff has bought before. When did I buy this from? I bought this from Robin from Cloverleaf Bags back in April. So we're May, June, almost July. So yeah, see, so it's been a while since I really purchased anything. I did purchase a few things for my daughter from Vicky and from Hadrian, some shoes. And then what else did I purchase? I purchased some, Vicky, Purse Creator, she had Name Your Price. And so she had some things, some inventory she was trying to get rid of, and some very nice products. And she had some bags that picked up for $3. So there was this great, huge denim satchel that I picked up for, I think it was $3 or $5. I don't remember. I picked up from her. So I literally only had $20 in my bank account. So I bought like 4 things. I was able to buy like 4 things on that particular day. I was happy. So a couple of them are gifts for family members, and then that one bag is going to be for me for traveling. Here's a little goodie. So Robin sends a little goodie in her motif. And here's a card. She sends a card that says thank you, Cloverleaf Bags, and she has her email on here. Today is a keychain, a Cloverleaf keychain. Love that. She's really got the theme going on there. And a little Cloverleaf. Candies, yay, Werther's, and a magnet. I love the magnet. I have got to find me somewhere to put up my magnets because I love to collect magnets. So I don't have anything in here that's like it's magnetized. So this is what I bought from Cloverleaf Bags for Vera Bradley. I do like to travel with backpacks. This was in excellent, excellent condition. I will have to put the price up here. She doesn't put an invoice in here, and it was in April, so I don't remember how much it is, but I'll try to put it down here how much I paid for it. But it wasn't just the bag. It was a great deal. It was the backpack, which is nice and clean, no wear. I mean, it looks brand new. I mean, it looks brand new. It's not, you know, she didn't sell it as a brand new problem, but it was like new and product rather. But it's a set. It's a set. So there was this and then this. So I really bought it for the stuff on the inside because when I saw the stuff on the inside, I'm sold. So here is like a little makeup case. Y'all know me. I like to have all these, travel with all of these things. Here is a lanyard with a little wallet. It's a little bit different. I don't have something like this one. So here's a little pocket here. It's a wallet ID card. So usually what I have, the ones that I have don't have this extra pocket on it. It's just this part here. And I thought that was really neat. What I do use these for a lot of the times, and I'll do that with this as well too, especially because a lot of times they're matching, you can get them on sale, is I will use these as my luggage tags, and I'll put my information on here, put it on there, put my room number on there, attach it to the bag, so if it gets lost, it's easy for them to find me, and it has my address, phone number, whatever, that they can get a hold of me, and I'll just clip it to the outside. And then also too, if I have one like this, I'll use this as a traveling bag, and I will put my driver's license, some money, what have you, or if we go off the ship, I might take this with me. It just depends on what we're gonna do. And I could just kind of keep this with me, and it's on the outside of the bag, but it's attached to the bag, so if somebody tries to take it, they're taking the bag and me and the scooter. So that's a really good thing. So then also too, there's the separate lanyard, and if you're traveling, like in your cruising, Carnival still uses room cards. Everything you do is on the card. So we always, you're always wearing a lanyard with your card on it. And I like the ones that have, you can take the card on and off easily. If this had like a little attachment to where you could take the attachment off and give that whole thing to them and be easier, Carnival sells some of those, but this you can just easily take this off, or I take this whole thing off and give it to the hubs if he's the one who's going to get a drink or snack, whatever it is. Well, not the snack. I mean, you need it for alcoholic drinks, to pay for your drinks if you buy a soda, because soda's not included in your package. But we always buy the Cheers package because we want to be cheery. We want to be cheery. So that's 1, 2, 3 items, and here's a 4th item, including the backpack. So here's a wallet. So this is a turn lock wallet. I don't know if this is RFID. I do know that Vera Bradley does have RFID wallets, but I don't know if this is one of them or not. But it has the layout of how I like it, how I like it. And here's on the inside, and here is all of that. So this was like fantastic. Okay, off the top of my head, I'm thinking it was like $45, I think, but I could be wrong. And like I said, I'll put the price down here and here. I mean, beautiful, beautiful condition, but beautiful colors. You can use it all year long. It has the, kind of a tropical motif. This backpack, here is what it looks like on the inside. It has a place here for identification, your card, whatever, put, if you want to use it for your kid or whatever. It also has lots, this one has lots of organization. Back here, it has a back pocket back here where you can tuck some things in there. Here it has another pocket here on the side. And then here it has for Definitely a water bottle could fit in here. We always make sure to take some water bottles with us. Or cell phone can fit in there as well. Nice, easy access in there. And it's small though too. It's not a huge bag. Let me see if I can unzip it up. Okay. That was the angle I was going at it. It was not working. Okay. They are adjustable, but these are not detachable. But it has a little hook here. So a lot of times what I'll do is put this on my handles to my where I steering column. I'll put it on one, or I'll put both of these over the scooter and then sometimes I'll tie just something on here to the scooter so that I have this other, on my scooter I have this little bucket thingy on the front, and then on the inside it's like little pockets, and it has these little attachments, and I'll take that and tie it here. So it's like, it's not really easy. It's like the whole thing will come. I mean, if you're a big, strong, burly man, you can basically carry my scooter because it's very light, but it's a very good deal. So I mean, it's like I could not pass that up. And this is just something you can throw in the washing machine, and it's a really pretty color. And also too, you know, I don't really travel with my fancy bags, and even though that's the only place I go, I don't travel with, you know, expensive fancy bags as far as that, you know. Of course, normally when I used to buy them backpacks for my daughter, my nieces, when we used to have to go shopping for them, I mean, these are pretty expensive. They're in $110 range and above, especially when it has that much organization on it. Oh look, and here's another pocket right here as well too, that goes all the way through, you know. So all these little hidden things for it, which is great because you can hide stuff, and if people's trying to go through your backpacks really quick or what have you. Thank God we haven't had any trouble, knock on wood, knock on wood. While we're traveling, we haven't had any issues or anything, but you never know. We try to be as safe as we can, and something like this, a Vera Bradley product like this, helps me do that. So I like the florals. They make me happy, these florals, you know. Not something I would wear on my person as far as a blouse or something like that, you know. I mean, not, you know, if it was tastefully done, you know, very carefully done, you know, maybe, but it's not something I'd wear, you know. But I do like the color combinations. I'd wear these colors on me, but I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. I couldn't pass it up. So that was it. I have my backpack, the last backpack that I used for traveling, the handle broke because I wore it out, totally wore it out. I still have it. I haven't had the heart to get rid of it because the body is still good, but the handles, you know, you can carry it like this. You can carry it like this because I don't carry it on my back anymore. You know, back on my back, I carry it on my scooter, or in, you know, and I keep it in the car. But it is Vera Bradley part of the month for Tera. On the 14th, she does either a Vera Bradley day, or she does a Kipling day or Brighton day. And so this month it's Vera Bradley. Last month I think it was Kipling, maybe. You have to go see her channel. She has it all in there. But I hope y'all enjoy it. Thank you, Tera, for asking me to collab with you. I greatly appreciate it. I've had so much fun doing it. And you know me, I always have some kind of Vera Bradley ready in the wings to do. I think I still have a couple of them I haven't found that I had bought for my Hawaii trip that I cannot find. I cannot find. But if you have not watched Tera's channel, please go over there and do so. Watch her channel, give her a thumbs up, give her a comment. Please tell her you came from my channel. Subscribe to her while you're at it. And if you don't mind, please help me get to my goal of 10 subscribers, and help me get to that finish line, so then we can start all over again. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Thank you so much for coming by. Love y'all. Bye-bye.